When you imagine your perfect place to stay, what do you see first? Is it a sweet view, a comfy bed, a gorgeous kitchen, your own private pool? Let us know down in the comments.
Tag teaming your search for sweet places to stay and booking flights is the way to go. While I'm searching Airbnbs, Brian is literally searching for flights at the same time. So make sure you watch both of these videos so that you can find out how to match your flights with your Airbnb in the best way.
Hey, I'm Brian Garcia.
And I'm Mary Nicole Vick. Welcome to Be Adventure Partners, where we believe all couples could
be where you want, when you want, together with your business online. People have been asking us, why do you travel so much? Don't you two have a home?
Honestly, I'm from Toronto.
And I'm from Texas.
So if we want to be together, we gotta be on the road.
On the road again.
So if we want to be together, we got to be on the road, unless one of us breaks down and gets a citizenship, which I'm sure at some point one of us will.
Oh, Canada. It'll probably be me becoming a Canadian.
Yeah. Because you love Canada.
I do love Canada.
He loves Canada.
I love Canada. To us, it's more appealing to go to really exotic places, have a beautiful view of nature, all while being able to build our business online, which we could do from anywhere around the globe. After watching part 1, which is our researching video, you should have a pretty good grasp on where you want to go by now.
Like I mentioned, Brian and I like to tag team searching flights and Airbnbs because depending on where you land, Airbnb locations are bound to change. Same thing if you can't find a good Airbnb location, then you may shift your idea of what city you want to land in. Because if you're anything like us, you leave things too late and then you miss out on all the good Airbnbs.
So let's dive into search how we choose our Airbnbs.
All right, so let's go to Airbnb. First of all, you want to type in the country you are landing in. We're going to choose Nicaragua. All right. Once that loads, you want to choose your filters. So first of all, we're going to plug in some dates here. We're going with the January 17th theme, and we'll make it a week at the first destination. Then we're going to select guests. We've got 2 adults. Next filter is home type. We like to select entire place because if you're sharing a room or if you just have a private room, what happens is you have other people who might be noisy. And when you're working and have a business of your own, it's nice to have your own space and it's a lot more romantic. Next up, we like to choose amenities. So we literally just pick kitchen and Wi-Fi.
Getting a kitchen is extremely crucial for us because we love to cook healthy meals together. And quite frankly, you're gonna save a lot of money if you cook for yourself.
Well, having a kitchen is really important. Internet is at the top of our list. And having a quiet workspace where we can hang out, get stuff done, and record our e-courses. We like to make sure that we have a comfortable workspace that is outside. So what you wanna do is be really observant of what you're gonna be sitting on while you're working. This little cove in Nicaragua was the best place we've ever been to, with the most gorgeous view, the comfiest workspace. It was amazing.
Yeah, we had monkeys visiting us in the trees just right there daily. The baby falcons that were up in the nest on the hillside were learning to fly, and we had an amazing view with a really sweet pool that we could go take a dip whenever we want, all for a very reasonable price.
I like to take quite a bit of time searching for the best locations based on recommendations that I see on Pinterest. This is really worth your time, especially when you're gonna be hanging out somewhere for a while, and if you're working, it's really nice to have a gorgeous, comfortable space that you can call home while you're traveling full time. And don't forget, in between, to enjoy the scenery, to go on adventures, and really enjoy a place because you deserve a break.
What's the best tips you have for finding the best Airbnb? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to chat about it.